Looking again at the fit problems on the doors on this Ferrari, when we look here at the back, this is a relatively smooth, straight fit on the passenger side. When we open it, we see that, see in here, and then there's a certain distance here, a depth between the outer edge of the door frame and the inner face of the door seal. This door closes smoothly. Just saw that? Now, when we look at the passenger side, we have a very different situation. I'm sorry, the driver's side, very different situation. First of all, this door won't close and latch solidly at all with the door panel on the door. We have to take the panel off to even get what we have here. Now, when this door is closed, it's visibly standing out here. It's standing out here. Look here, and you can look right in and see the hardware. So this needs to be seated almost half an inch deeper at that point. When we measure the distance from the outer face of the window frame to the edge of the door seal, it is indeed 1/4 to 1/2 inch closer here. And what that means is that the door can't fit properly, and you can't make it close fully without tremendous force, and that force is what makes you think you're going to break this door handle when you open it. And indeed, if we persisted in opening it that way, that would be the result. We'd break the door handle. When we look up here, the trim up here doesn't fit properly because of that, and the reason the door doesn't release once the handles open the latch is that the rubber is binding up here, and we have to kind of tear it loose. So I don't know if this is a result of original body assembly issues, or if it's a result of collision damage that's not properly fixed, or it's a result of rust damage that was welded and repaired, and the geometry of the body and the door no longer match. But this is a significant problem that, again, needs to be addressed before this car can be called done and ready to get in and drive.